Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Sarasota Home Organizer, and today I'm going to be sharing some tips about photographs. So we're talking about something that's really personal, and that's photographs. Photographs are our memories, and it's really important to preserve them, to preserve their integrity so we can enjoy them, but also make sure that they stay in good condition. We are the last generation really that's going to have this problem of having a lot of photos. Nowadays, most people keep their photos on their phone. When we used to get photos printed, we couldn't even see what they looked like, so we didn't have the opportunity to delete them. So we have a lot of photos that are blurry, that are things that we don't even know why we were taking the picture, or if you remember, we used to get doubles of everything for some reason, so there's a lot of extras. First thing you're going to do is gather all your photos together. If you want to sort by decade, for example, I have some older photographs that I don't have sorted by year. I have one stack of photographs that is all black and white family photos, and so I leave it at that. If you want to get a little more granular, you can. But once you've got the sorting done, that's sort of the hard part. This is how I keep my hard copy photos, and I've actually gotten them pretty pared down. I used to have a lot more, but as the years have gone by, I have scanned them and made photo albums out of them. And just as time has continued on, what might have seemed interesting at one point in time is no longer that interesting, so I do get rid of them every time I go through them. These are great for storing a lot of things. In this case, I'm using them for photos. So they're the right size of the photos, unless they're the really big ones. And each box, I put a label on it that would say the year, or like I said, the occasion. Then that way, when I go to get it, I can easily grab it. And then they all go in this box, which is very easily stackable. It locks, has a handle on it, so you can put these away, make sure that they stay safe. If you'd like to learn more about me and my team and how we can help you stay organized, go to SarasotaHomeOrganizer.com, follow us on YouTube and social media, and learn more about how you can stay organized.